Hunter x Hunter in a nutshell. Every episode of Hunter x Hunter 2011 first arc, we are given an introductory sequence about what the fuck are hunters. It's very long and boring, so I will skip to the chase. Hunters are people who do things that normal people can't even dream of and have a lot of money. That's it. The chapter begins at a place named Whale Island. What the fuck was even Togashi thinking? We see a tiny boy dressed in green, covering himself in branches, leaves, and foliage, sitting on a branch of a tree while catching a fish, while rabbits, birds are all shitting on him because he's so focused he doesn't even move. Next second only, we are shown in a panel that the boy catches a big fish like monster fish and carries it like Superman to Mom and Aunt Mito and tells her to keep her side of promise or let him this super child go to hunter exam where it's a psychotic exam where crazy people go to die like flies. Seriously, what the fuck? What is even Mohan thinking? Letting this kid go to such an exam. Anyways, next we are shown that this woman presses the high tech button of this hunter exam card. Like what the fuck technology are they using? And then we are shown that Mito is talking to an old lady, talking about the how did this little shit know about his hopeless shitty father who is selfish as fuck has left him as a child, and he's also a hunter. And then we are shown a long boarding sequence of how Gon was saved by a long haired dude because his psychotic tendency was roaming in the forest and he made some bear meeting and he was almost die, but because of Totama bullshit introduced in the very first chapter, this guy kills a Kitsune bear and Gon is saved. Then this guy punches the psycho little Gon for his dangerous tendencies. Then let's skip all this dialogue of Kite explaining how cool and dead ass his father is and how Kite always orgasms thinking about Gon's father. Then Gon also falls in love with his father whom he have not even met and wants to meet him. This is how Gon, the protagonist Gon, leaves the Whale Island for his great adventures after having a hugging session with cringy finger kissing with Aunt Mito. And then we hear some past side characters talking shit about Gon and how his dream of becoming a super hunter is actually basically not possible, but little did they know that how messed up Gon in his head in these early years.